Hello girlies, if you are looking for something that actually easy to use, then start here. This is the Matte Cat Lip Crayons from Swiss Beauty, and trust me when I say this is that girl vibes. First of all, look at these shades. It's giving soft, glam but effortless. Super smooth application, no patchiness, and it's literally glides like butter. These all shade perfect for college and your Valentine dates. And do let me know in the comment section कि कैसे लगे आपको ये shades. And if you want to purchase all of these shades, you can check it out official website